to play, so hopping straight into this video, I want to share with y'all this glueless wig. So when I installed this wig, it's glueless. No wig adhesives, no glue, no spray, no nothing. If you're looking for a nice curly wig that you can just plop on and go, this going to be the wig for y'all. So packaging, it came in this nice green, my favorite color, by the way, green box, and inside of the box came with the wig, and the wig was inside of this cute little dust bag that they sent over. The wig is actually not in it because I already took the wig out, but this is just what the packaging looks like. They also sent me over this cute little makeup bag, and I just thought that I would share that with you guys because I thought it was really, really cute. Moving along to the wig details. Now I do have a 13 by 4 180% density. It is 18 inches, leaving your total to $240. Now, it's two options for 18 inches. One is 18-inch the Kai wig, and then one is a regular 18 inches. The regular 18 inches is like $248. Then if you press the other one, it brings your price down to $240. Why not just do the $240? They both 18 inches. So we're going to click on that. Then, y'all, I had to double back because I was like, wait a minute, they got 30% off as well. So right here it say if you put in Kai 30, you get an extra 30% off of that price. So I had to make sure it was real, y'all. So I added it into the cart, and it's showing the wrong price because when I was like doing this video, I thought I had 150% density, which I don't. But if you want to pay less money, get 150% density. The density is of course going to be less, but you'll be paying less as well. But use the code or her code. It don't make me no difference, but it will bring your total to $178. Y'all know I'm always here for the deals and always here for the money and coins off, period. So anyway, let's hop into the construction. Now, I did not wash this wig, but I went ahead and, what did I do? I went ahead and just wet the hair and put my product through it before I actually applied the wig. So when I went to apply the wig, I didn't really have to do too much work. Now this wig is a 13 by 4, like I said, and right here the curls are already defined. But the wig already comes pre-plucked. And yeah, only thing you really got to do is define the curls. I didn't pluck the hairline or anything like that, and I didn't bleach the knots. The knots don't come bleached, but you don't really need to bother with the knots because of the color, really. I mean, if you want to, do your thing, boo. But as you can see, the hairline, if you want to go in and pluck it some more, you could. But me, I just want to put this thing on how it is. So right here, like I said, I already went ahead and defined the curls and let them dry overnight. And this is how the wig looks. Now, the lace is transparent. Y'all know I don't bang with transparent lace, so I did go in with my finishing powder. Same powder I used to contour my face, and I used that to darken the lace up. I also went ahead and cut off the lace, and this is what we looking like, y'all. I did go ahead and adjust my straps as well, and yeah. And because I have a smaller head and I'm wearing this glueless, I use the combs, y'all. I don't really recommend using the combs, but they was all right. And they made the sides, like the ear tabs, lay down. I actually just did a video on this wig by the same company, but I don't know if the curls were different. I know this is a jerry curl texture. I can't remember the texture of that wig, but I know it was curly. And it was a bit longer. I think the length was like between 20 and 24 inches. But yeah, when they asked me to share this wig with you guys in a shorter length, I definitely did not decline because that last wig ate, and I could just appreciate the fact that you don't have to glue the wig down. They do give you an option to wear this wig glueless. So I can definitely appreciate that, y'all. And side note, I am filming this video on my camera. The last time I film a video of this wig. It was on my phone. For some reason, my camera just like amplifies the color more and kind of is bright. So just keep that in mind, you guys. But it's still giving reddish brown. But that's basically it for this video. If you are interested, like I said, all the links will be in my description box. This wig is really affordable, and for the price, you cannot beat it. Especially the fact that if you don't want to, you don't have to pluck the hairline. You can wear it glueless, and the curls and color are bomb. So again, check that description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you on my next video.